You was looking at me so perfectly, a long way from where it's supposed to be. And for some reason you hear me staring with those eyes, they're heavenly. They came so naturally, no ounce of uncertainty. My friends say you're no good for me, but it don't matter what they say, because with you, I don't care where you're from, cause you may be the one. You don't scare me, I won't run. It's true, I'm the best of me when I'm here with you, when I'm here with you. I took you on a trip to Miami. It didn't take much to make you happy. You wanna know what's on the beach with me, hoping that we'll save all our money. I know now you really care about me, cause these other girls don't wanna get to know me. They talk down on you, never tell the truth, but it don't matter what they say, because with you, I don't care where you're from, cause you may be the one. You don't scare me, I won't run. It's true, I'm the best of me when I'm here with you, when I'm here with you. Give it time and you'll see, you won't find another like me. And that's loyally, faithful and true, that sees the real you. Give it time and you'll see that you and I were meant to be, yo. I want you to know it don't matter what they say, with you, I don't care where you're from, cause you may be the one. You don't scare me, I won't run. It's true, I'm the best of me when I'm here with you, when I'm here with you.
Get rich so I can buy all that I want, but I've got all the smiles that I need. They say get famous so everyone will know me, but that sounds like a movie I don't wanna see. They say get smart so I can solve any problem, as if they'll all go away. They say go hard, but I'm a softie deep inside, and I don't feel like hiding anymore. They say be nice, but I'd rather be kind and be there for those who are in need. They say you gotta think twice, maybe we should think a little more about how we treat the world that we call home. They say settle down, but I ain't one for settling, so I'll just keep on chasing my dreams. They say grow up, as if it's a given, but I ain't taking those pills anymore. No. Ooh, got a joy that's overflowing. They say don't give it away, but I'll do it anyway. They say get real, but when the truth isn't valued, no one really knows how to feel. That's how it is, and that's how it's always been. But what about how it could be? Enough is enough. There's new voices talking, and those are the ones that I wanna hear. And they say too much, but I know who I am, so I don't listen to them anymore. I've been cooped up in this Mini Cooper, singing to myself, going through drive-through after drive-through, looking for some help. I'll miss my family and my girl and my friends there by my side.